Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda Accord. This two-door, five-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes heated seats, a blind spot monitoring system, lane departure warning, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.